Now that you have your Planning Motion subscription, you need to create your password to access the app. And also, the last essential step before you start planning your trip is to listen to Planning Motion Getting Started videos. The system has just sent you an email with the secure link to create your password. If it's not there in a few minutes, it's probably because it's been filtered as spam or put in the promotions tab of your mailbox. If you cannot find it, contact us by email. We'll send it to you again. I invite you to take a few minutes to listen to the Getting Started video series we have prepared for you. As the name suggests, it will help you get started with Planning Motion and, above all, make sure you have the right settings in your browser. The first part of the Getting Started guide gives you an overview of the app. Then, in part 2, we will build together a trip from scratch. And finally, and perhaps most importantly, we review your browser settings to allow pop-ups and disable automatic translation. The link to the Getting Started guide is right here at the bottom of the page. See you there.